This is going to be a quick video. I'm in the process of fitting a DRO to this mill. It's a Warco A2F, and I'm right in the middle of the job, so the place is a right mess. Stuff everywhere, all over the floor, everything. Anyway, so far I've managed to fit the X-axis scale. It's a kit from M-DRO, so the scales are magnetic. And I had an issue with this X-axis scale in as much as I've got a power feed, so it uses travel stops in combination with a switch block here. Now, before I fitted this, it used these things which operated in the T-slot which runs along the front of the table. Problem was, of course, now I've fitted this, it will no longer work, so I had to come up with a different solution, and that's the point of this video. What I came up with was making these things, which are magnetic brackets. In the base of these angle brackets, there's a shielded neodymium magnet, so it's only magnetic on the front face. So you can just clip these things on like so, and they are very firmly held. And to make fine adjustments, you can move this rod. It's a lot easier than trying to slide that, because it doesn't move at all. It's easy enough to lever it off like that, but it doesn't slide very easy at all. It will slide if I forget that I've got it attached, and using the power feed and it accidentally runs into that. Or sorry, when I use the manual feed and I've got this set and it runs into the switch block will push it along, so no damage. But this works just fine. Set that, turn on the power feed, and there we go, stops it. I'm making this video because I've never actually seen this solution to what must be quite a common problem, fitting these things. I mean, I have seen an alternative method where they offset the scale by a couple of inches and still retain some original stops working in the T-slot behind it. But that didn't look very neat to me, and to have the scale out here is not very clever. This is screwed directly to the table using about 6 or 8 screws, so it's very solidly mounted. You couldn't offset this from the table, because the only way you could hold it in place would be at the extreme ends, and this being a thinner section, see, that's the support section there. With it being thinner, it really wouldn't be very stable if it was held at each end. You could get away with it with a glass scale, but not with this. So I reckon that's quite a good method of doing it. Okay, well, that's it. Bye.